Okay.
So guys, look up under the swimming pool. Maxx also is too. Now he loves swimming, but the first time he wanted to head out like that, but now he's enjoying it.
Yeah.
Because he tried a few times and it won't be scary anymore. Is it true, Mom?
That's right.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Mom, do you think Maxx ruined it?
He might have. I know you have. Hey, baby.
He wants to dry off.
Get it, Max. Get it. He wants to bite his own splash. Splash, Max. Max the splash.
Max swims fast.
Yeah, and he's already been in here like 15 minutes. I can't get him out.
Yeah. Max doesn't trust me past this point, Mom.
Okay.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Don't let him get too close to you, Trevor. He'll scratch you with his claws. You look like you've been attacked by a bear.
What?
I said you'll look like you've been attacked by a bear.
Oh, yeah.
If he splashes you, or if he scratches you.
You said
I know, I meant scratch. Get him, Max! We tried to get him to get the ball, but he thought we were tricking him to get out.
Hi, baby.
Go, Max, go! What?
He's like, oh, I got it.
He said, y'all come on!
Oh, crap. I almost got
Trevor, swim really fast and kick your feet and see if he'll chase you.
Okay.
See if he'll follow your splash.
Next.
Riley used to do that with Dad. See? Okay, go again, Trevor, go. Come this way.
But he'll scratch me.
No, you need to go. Go away from him so he'll follow you. Kick on the top. Don't look at him, just kick. See?
Back.
He'll follow your splash. Can you not kick with your feet?
No, I'm too scared. He's going to scratch me.
He won't be able to get you if you swim fast.
What?
He won't be able to get you if you swim fast. I'm sure glad it's strained down so he can touch. He was scaring me.
Is he coming, Erica? Yeah.
Go, Max, go. Swim, swim, swim. See? See? Yay!
No!
Now you should go. You should go in front of him.
Max. Max.
There you go. Go, 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 Trevor, go straight. You should go the long way.
Max.
Trevor, swim this way. Go, Trevor. Go, Trevor, kick. See? Good boys. He was following you.
Ah! He scared me. When I opened my eyes, I was like, Max appeared. Max.
I don't know who's Hockey Man anymore. Is it still Trevor or is it Max? Max, the splash. Go, go, Trevor. Yay, Max! He just kicked off. He's gone. He's like, I'm winning, I'm winning.
No, you're not. Come back here. He's so bad. Iceland. Mom, maybe we can grab his collar.
No, don't grab him. Don't grab him. Trevor, no.
Why?
Don't pull him.
That's what Dad said for us to do.
No. Max, don't scare him. Don't pull him. Don't scare him. Yay. Well, at least he'll be super clean.
Get him out.
Well, we don't have to get him out yet.
It's so hard to get him out.
I just want him to follow you. He's going to be sore tomorrow.
Max.
He's going to sleep good tonight. Max, Max, Max. Woo! He doesn't know who to go after. Hey, baby. Hey, Max.
Whoa.
He's off again. He's gonna bite his own splash. Woo! All right, Trevor. You got anything else to say to TV Kids? You got any tricks?
All I gotta say is Max is so hard to catch to give him a break.
You don't have to catch him. He can touch. When he gets tired, he'll take a break. He's a swimming dog. That's what labs do.
My pants almost got pulled down by the water.
Oh my goodness. And you just told the whole world. What's he got? A toy?
Guys, guess what type of animal our dog is? A saving dog or a lab? Comment down below.
Erica, see what he's got in his mouth? Anything?
No, I don't see anything.
Okay, maybe it was a leaf. Trevor, get that teacup.
The teacup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's a dead bumblebee and a dead, and another one. I was saving him. That looks like a dead spider. Oh my goodness, get away from it, Trevor.
Where?
Right there in front of you. Look, they're huge.
Max, don't eat them.
I gotta get the net. Okay, that,
Whoa,
Trevor, that's
whoa.
what I thought he had.
Mom, I think that's a warrior wasp.
Okay. Oh my goodness, a warrior wasp. We're just collecting all kinds of dead animals. Aw, and we have a heart right there. A heart flower. How cute. Okay, he's gonna get the teacup if y'all don't. Whoop, he tried to get that wasp. Dude. Okay, get the teacup. Okay. All right, Erica, say TV Kids out.
TV Kid out.